did you know I have a missile car?
Yes, I know you have a missile car.
Then...
It's right there.
I know, isn't it fabulous?
Yes. Wait, what are you doing? How do you even... Where do you even manage to afford this from? Great. Toad, you just took out part of the driveway. Great.
Hey, it's not my fault.
Yeah, it is. You're the one who fired the missile.
I don't know.
Look, let's just... Action. You know, Toad, I can remember a time when I didn't even have to go out Christmas shopping. All I had to do was just drink alcohol, like tons of whiskey.
Do you like McDonald's?
No.
Hey, look at this. We're going on a red road.
Yeah, we're still on the lawn.
Oh. Well, let's just park for a minute. Our gas is low.
What the? I filled this. What?
Okay,
Wait.
it's okay.
How the heck? Where'd you even get the gasoline?
I have magic.
You what?
Magic.
You imagine the gasoline.
I said magic.
Magic.
Yeah.
Last I checked, Toads didn't have magic.
I did it myself.
Have you been eating shrooms?
Yes.
Oh my god. Which ones?
My color.
You ate red and you ate what do you mean? Like the normal color or reverse color? Like the color?
My color.
Toad, those shrooms are poison and... Wait, what are you making us...
Ah! Let's get out of here!
Toad, did you make the car crash into leaves?
No.
Toad! This is Mario's car! If he sees this, he's gonna get triggered!
No, it's not.
Yeah, he is. You wanna know what happened the last time?
What?
Last time I did this, it stuck. Well, at least it's not blown up by your missile and...
Hey, I don't really know where my missile... What was that?
I'm dead.
What is this?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! I cannot believe this! The car is trashed! It's busted!
My magic! Put it over there!
Toad, you didn't help.
Well, I don't care. I'm going in my car.
Toad. Oh my god. What am I gonna tell Mario? Crap, oh crap. Mario better not see this and... Oh crap, here comes Luigi. No, Toad, it's broken. No. Hey Luigi, how's it going?
So cold out here. I didn't bring any freaking...
Here, you want my scarf?
No!
Ow.
Also, I see what you did.
Oh.
I tell Mario.
Look, Luigi, it's not our fault. Toad's war machine somehow malfunctioned. It fired its missiles at us. Look, Luigi, look, Luigi, oh my god, what am I gonna do? Toad, do you have any ideas on how we could fix
Wait,
this?
let's go to McDonald's!
Toad, we can't, the car's broken.
No, it's not.
And in 3, a 2, a 1. Yeah. Oh, god dang it. Well,
Let's get in my missile truck!
Toad, I don't think that's such a good idea. Luigi, what are you doing?
I don't know.
Oh, great. I think Luigi's vocal cords must have been... Hang on. Let me fix them. Ugh. Oh.
Hey, do that again. I swear you would pay. Go ahead. I don't need vocal cords. Ow.
Luigi, are you okay?
No.
Okay, your voice is back to normal. But anyways, Luigi, what are we gonna do about the car? Look, Look, it's screwed. We
Well,
need to find a way to fix it.
We got insurance for the car.
Really? Who's our insurer?
Ah, what happened?
Shits McDonald is the name, and insurance is my game. This is our Ow! This is our insurer. Our insurer. Our insurer.
Yeah.
Luigi, you gave Ships our insurance.
He got hired by the general.
The general. Which one?
The insurance company, the general.
Oh my god. Luigi, that general smoked tons and tons of pot. He's literally in the insane asylum right now.
Hey guys, why is there a bomb in the car?
There's a what?
A bomb.
Oh, that's real freaking nice. Now, that's just beyond it.
Wait! I think I seen a car shop with a missile tank.
A car shop with a missile tank.
No, a missile car.
You mean like the one that you have?
Nope, no.
Popcorn.
What is going on? Ugh. Yeah.
Hey, everybody, it's Luigi.
Luigi, what happened to your voice?
I changed it with my vocal cords.
Oh, god dang it.
Guess what? I'm gonna smack myself in the Ow!
Abima,
Hey, you know
I think
what
he might be on acid.
You know where Mushroom Man went?
Yeah,
Is
he's
he-
definitely on acid.
Acid reflex.
Luigi, can you just stand here for a minute? Oh!
Yeah.
Alright, Ships, I do not think this is a good idea. Well, it's a... Hey, Luigi, go away. I think Luigi must have gotten hit on the head or something. Look, Abima, we need to figure out a way to fix this. Well, what about the car? Well, look. We need an idea. We need a way to fix the car and get Luigi's head back in the game. And I swear, maybe he's on some kind of drug. Wait a minute. Wait, what the? Oh my god. What are you guys doing? No. There's only one person here who ever drinks and drives, and that's me.